rainstorm here last weekend, 2 weekends ago. You can see there's broken branches, trees laying everywhere.
Hey guys, welcome to Cfmoto Zforce again. Here we are, we're out for a boot and I'm down in one of my favorite spots. I just stopped here to make a quick video and tell you what we're up to. We're just going to go for a spin tonight and just get out and enjoy the scenery. Haven't been out for about a week, so I wanted to, well, except for going out for breakfast with my wife the other day. So I just wanted to go for a bit of a longer ride and to see what I can see and enjoy nature. This here is one of my favorite spots. It's Callahan Rapids, the Crow River. And it's just such a peaceful area, and especially when there's nobody here. This place can get rocking pretty good sometimes, and it's a little overcrowded, but during the week there's nobody here and it's really nice. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the ride and we'll see you at the end of the trail. Oh yeah, before I hit the trail, let me show you my new helmet. It's got flames on it and some kind of design in here. When I first took it out of the box, I thought it was dusty or something, but it's got this look to it, which is really cool. Of course, I already put my sticker on there. Got one crease, oh, 2 creases in there. But it looks pretty good on there. Orange on black always looks good. But it's a shorty helmet. So hopefully it'll help me keep a little bit cooler. We have to wear them here in Canada. I like the flames on it though. It's pretty cool. I like that. It was on sale too, so not bad. I don't know if you guys can tell, there's a bluegill swimming around there. Yeah, you can see it. You can just see it's like a shadow swimming around. There he is. Oh, a fish just jumped up here. I just heard something splash. There he goes. He's right under us. If I had my GoPro, I do have my GoPro. Hang on, I'll see if I can get him. Okay, well, go where he's hiding out and see if we can. There he is there. Well, that was pretty cool, guys. I think I got some good footage of that fish. and hopefully it'll turn out for the video. That was really cool. Those were segways?
Yeah, just got them a few weeks ago.
How you liking them?
Pretty good. I had no previous experience, but I got no complaints.
Oh, that's good.
They handle really well. Nice, like good gas mileage if you want, stuff like that. How's that doing?
Good.
Yeah?
2,600 kilometers, first one I ever had, and it keeps going.
That's wild.
Gas is amazing.
Oh yeah? Well, that's good.
Yeah.